My name is Anand. I run a company called Arscom Resources and Management Services. It's been about 3.5 years that we have been working with Zoho. We work very closely with Zoho's platforms team and developments team, where Zoho provides this opportunity where you come up with a business model and use the platform of Zoho, build the entire solution using the forms and the modules and make the automations, and then you can run the entire product by yourself. You don't have to worry about the multiple business aspects of a platform, server, backup and all those things. We have been working on implementing 2 or 3 vertical solutions and a lot of extensions for Zoho. We took little time to understand the approach, as in why would somebody like a product company would come and offer a platform to build a solution. And then we were actually thinking of how to have the entire database structure and things like that in place. Zoho itself was very generous in bringing us the idea of a marketplace and a platform solution. When something like this came in, the entire thought process of what has to go onto the architecture was off. We were only thinking about building the solution. The entire focus came on the functional and the domain knowledge that is required to build the solution. So we started working on the concept. We slowly built what is going to be more deeper into the generic CRM platform as a solution, and then choose some industry verticals that we had the domain expertise in, and then started designing on the paper, of course, and then slowly started building some versions of it. And now we have a team of about 15 members now working completely on Zoho. Talking about the industry vertical CRM solutions, Yoga is almost ready, where any entrepreneur or a small team can actually work on their entire solution using the Zoho CRM Yoga platform. We have the entire onboarding, campaign management and subscription management for all the Yoga subscribers who are going to come in. We have also worked on places like if somebody is not attending the yoga class for about 5 days, then you can have an automated alert being sent. What actually they have done in their yoga session today, what were the asanas that were covered, what were the different benefits of those asanas, and then people can download an app and start using all the solutions which are there on the CRM vertical solution on their app, and then that becomes a very collaborative place. We are also looking at multiple training related industry vertical solutions. We have something called as advanced task management, which we are building, which is only task management, which is going to be for a 20-25 member team to work in a very agile way. There are engineering extensions that we are working upon. There are some biometric extensions that we are looking at. We are also working on some third-party integration extensions like real estate solutions, travel agent, industry vertical solutions that are already built, and we are just building the extensions for that. Zoho has a platforms team where they keep working very closely with the partners in terms of what is happening, what are the different functionalities that you have built. Can you add these so that it actually creates traction? This is what we have heard from customers. These kind of constant feedbacks we have got from the team there, which is very helpful, which has made us closely focus on those functionalities, embed those functionalities into the platform solution and make it ready. The team is very responsive. They give us solutions on emails, and need be they will also come on screen sharing sessions and give us the entire walkthrough of what has to be done and what not. Zoho gives you a platform where entire subscription management is taken care, the payment gateways, the responsiveness of all those things, the quality in which it is actually exposed to the customer is amazing. Any product development would probably include this, where you need a place where you manage the subscriptions, you need a place where you manage renewals, where you have to look at who's coming in, who is going out and all those things. So I'm not even worried about all those things. If it comes to the solution and we focus on the solution, put it onto the Zoho store and we are all done. There are a lot of things which can be done using this particular platform. I very strongly recommend Zoho Marketplace for guys who actually have out of the box ideas where they can just top up a existing solution and make great changes for the business propositions outside. Where you are already on a specific ERP or a homegrown systems, and These kind of solutions can do the catalyst activity where the number of customers who are coming in can change. The website interface might change. The internal project management time taken for delivery might change. The support outlook might change. All these things can happen if you have that thought of adapting to the multiple available systems which are provided by Zoho. And extensions, especially the platforms, especially give you that edge to bring in your existing solution and patch it on to the Zoho platform and give that quality output to the customer.